Hey guys, what's up? Welcome if you're new. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another weekly vlog. I just got ready. I'm about to go take some pictures for Instagram. Let's look outside real quick. It's dark. It is after 11 p.m. And I've been getting ready for a while, but I don't know, I didn't know it was this late and everything. But I do want to open up the vlog now and show y'all kind of a behind the scenes of like what I do. I told y'all that I want to like start posting again on Instagram, so this is like the behind the scenes of it. I don't know, I tried out a night picture recently and I loved it, and I'm gonna try it again. I am gonna do day pictures as well, but I'm really feeling the night pictures. So tonight I'm doing 2 looks. Hopefully I can do that. I have one outfit on and I have one in my bag. Hopefully I can do that because recently I've been missing my deadlines that nobody created but myself. But I do want to post on Instagram at least twice a week, and lately I've been missing my deadline just because I haven't had the time to take the pictures, especially at night because Sweet's work, and then on his days off we are doing something, and then blah 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 blah. But anyway, tonight he's off, so we're gonna take he's gonna take my pictures. I low-key think he's annoyed with me because I've been taking so long. But anyway, I am gonna rush and go take these pictures really quickly. I think I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, so let's go.
Yeah, murder, 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 murder.
Love you, babe. Love you, babe. Oh, baby.
Shotty. Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby. Now stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Roll with me.
Alright guys, so I just did 1 look. I am changing currently. I am changing outside. I have a skirt on, so for the pants I could just pull it up. Pants is on. The only thing now is the top, and I think I'm gonna go inside the car actually because it is a few people. Outfit number 2. Let's get it. And I bought a bag, so I'm just dumping everything into my bag so I'm not like creating a mess. Is it weird to take pictures with shades on at night? But I think I'm gonna try these. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna take some without and some with. I'm gonna brush my hair and stuff like that, so let's go. I'm actually gonna go over there somewhere. I don't know if y'all, I can't angle the camera, can't really angle the camera for y'all to see me, but I'm gonna go over there somewhere to try to take the picture, so I'll try, but no promises. Let's go with outfit number 2. And to see all the outfits, definitely follow me on Instagram at BrightAsDae1. I'll put it here on screen, because if you're not following me on Instagram, what you doing, period. So hey y'all, good morning. Well actually it's afternoon right now. I've been up though. I'm just picking up the camera. I was up earlier with Kai and Mommy and Sweets and Chab downstairs. They're doing some stuff on the house. I was just down there with Kai and stuff like that. He's down now, so now I'm about to clean up. Anytime I'm getting ready to go out to film, as long as I'm putting on makeup and doing my hair, I'm going to create a mess. So I am about to, so this is the mess that I created last night. I'm about to clean this up. I started cleaning up already. Y'all, look at my flowers. They are dead. So the last vlog, I think I showed y'all these red roses that Sweets had got me. And I went and bought these after those died. These are dead now, so I do need some. So I'm gonna go buy, I think I'm gonna go get some today. I think I'm feeling white. I don't know, white or blue. Change my curtain to this color. So I'm feeling maybe blue or white roses. I don't know. I'm about to clean this up. It's not that much. It's just literally at this table right here. And I'm just gonna straighten up my room. I already kind of started over here. But yeah, on the agenda today, it's not much. I was supposed to go get my feet done. I got my nails done yesterday. I'm on the fence. I like them probably like 85%. Not exactly the design that I showed them, but you know, you be seeing design on Instagram and you want to try it, but obviously it's not going to come out 100% how you saw it. But I think I like these 90%. 85%. I think I like these a little bit. I don't know, but anyway, they're gonna rock out for these 2 weeks though. I know that for sure. But I didn't get my feet done yesterday. Sweets actually got his feet done yesterday. But because of the time and everything, and I had left Kai with my mom, and I didn't want to like be out for that long, I kind of just like came back without getting my feet done. So I made an appointment for today at 1. It's about 2 o'clock. My mom went on the road before 1 o'clock, like 12 something, saying she'd be right back. She's not back yet, and it's almost 3 o'clock probably. So I called them though, and I told them I was gonna be late. They were like, I could just walk in and wait for the lady that I want, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna just go in early in the morning, because my feet really need to be done. My feet really needs to be done. But I don't know yet though. I don't know. I do need to get my feet done. My mom isn't working today, so we'll see if I could pop and go and leave her with Kai. But yeah, let me clean up and I'll check y'all in a little bit. So guys, a lot of times when I'm doing my makeup and stuff, I get makeup stains on my white table. I'll take this and put it on there. And removing, look at that, salon. And then I go over it with a wet wipe, just because this is kind of like oily. And then you're good to go. So it's the next day. I'm just leaving my school. I went to go see my kiddos. Today was the last day of school and their award ceremony and a little barbecue cookout, so I went to go say hi because I promised them that I would come back. I brought Kai with me. It's a little risky because, you know, he's a baby and, you know, people gonna be flocking around and stuff like that, but what I don't know, I'm gonna go wipe him off on everything. But yeah, that was really nice. They were so excited to see me. They were like, we didn't learn anything, you left us, da 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 da. And I'm just like, they was like, we missed you. But it was great seeing them. I actually went on Wednesday. Today's Friday, and I actually went on Wednesday as well to go see them. I actually went on Wednesday because on Wednesday was the senior barbecue, and the seniors were my first students that I taught in Philly. So they graduated high school now. Okay, I'm getting old. I'm officially getting old. Like I taught kids who graduated high school. You can't talk to me. But yeah, that was really exciting to see. Like, I actually taught the seniors, I taught them in 10th grade. So my first year teaching at my school right now, I taught 10th grade. And they're graduated. Oh my gosh. Like, seeing them and hearing what colleges they're going to or their plans after high school was just so fulfilling. Like, I'm just like, this is why I do this. This is why I do this. Sometimes you really, as teachers, and especially what's happening in schools and stuff right now, you sometimes, not you lose your why, because I honestly love this profession, but sometimes it gets hard. You're like, yo, what am I doing? But then you remember like the why behind like why you do what you do, and this is just one of them. It felt so good. Even today, seeing my students, like seeing them starting high school, like not sure what to expect out of high school, and now they're about to be 10th graders. Just seeing them mature from like within a year, like everything. They're some of them grew up. They were telling me, because I'm the teacher, they tell like, I won't say they business, but like they business. So they was getting me caught up on all the deeds, like who not friends with who's dating who, like all you know. But it was great seeing them. I was only there for probably like an hour and a half maybe. I will say teaching is a very fulfilling career. If you love kids, and not everybody, it's not for everybody, because you definitely have to have patience. You have to, you know, all of this. And I'm not the best teacher, because some of them kids don't like my guts, okay? And it's known, and I don't feel no type of way. Just like in life, you're not everybody's cup of tea, but when you find them kids that will ride for you, you're good. You're good. But anyway, I'm blabbering at this point. I'll check y'all. Good morning, y'all. I am heading to the gym. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. I really don't feel like going, but I'm gonna go because I've been tripping. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna push myself and go. I've been in the house like stalling because I'm trying to have my watch. I was trying to get my watch to come on. I'm trying to charge my watch. It's a good. It has enough batteries for the gym. But yeah, I was trying to charge it because it was dead. It was dead. I want to start juicing again, so I've been looking up recipes on TikTok, and I found some of them that I think I want to try out. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the farmers market sometime today or tomorrow to go get some fruits and vegetables so I can juice and store it for the week. And I'm gonna try it out and just trying to eat healthier. Y'all pray for me, because usually when I'm starting back a health journey, I have a plan. This time I don't have any plans. I don't really know. I'm just going with the flow. I don't have a time frame of, oh, I want to lose 10 pounds in 5 days. I don't want to do anything like that. I just need to lose this weight. I can feel it in my knees, and it's crazy, and I don't like that. I don't like that. I gotta be active. I have a son. Like, boys are active beings, so I gotta be active with him. I don't want to be like, oh, my back hurt or my feet hurt or anything like that. So yeah. Anyway, I went shopping for fruits and veggies. I couldn't take y'all because it was a quick in and out, but these are all that I got. I'm going to show you in a little bit. I just washed the juicer and everything. I'm setting this up to cleanse the fruits and stuff so I can start juicing. I need to get the bottles out of here too. I have a bunch of there that I can use. So I actually did some research before I went and bought stuff. Like I told y'all, I got some recipes for different things. So for hormonal balance, PCOS, skin, just a random recipe. This is postpartum. This is called the ABC juice. This is something sweet. And this was Petite Sue's recipe as well. She always talk about her green juice, so I'm gonna try it. I think today though, I'm gonna go with something sweet, either this or this. And then I didn't get any turmeric. I was just like, I don't know if I want to do that. But I think I'm gonna go with this one for today and this one, and see how I like it. Whenever I set out to do something, I like to do it all and done. But the thing with juicing, and I wrote it at the top, it's like you should refrigerate up to 3 days. That's the best. And then you can freeze it for up to 6 months. So yeah, I got a whole bunch of things. I had wrote a list and brought the list with me. So, and I had the paper too, going back to the old days. I got beetroot, I got cantaloupe, pineapple, ginger, orange, green apple, red apples. I had carrots, but we have carrots in the fridge, so I didn't buy any. Lime, mango, raspberry, strawberry, spinach, cucumber. Oh, I forgot cucumbers because I couldn't find them. I didn't get any banana, and I got a watermelon. So yeah, that's all the fruits and stuff that I got.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in.
So I washed everything that I need for recipe one. This one, like I said, is good for hormonal balance. So if you are dealing with hormonal imbalance, apparently according to TikTok University, this is good. So I'm gonna try it out and see. So it's pineapple, cantaloupe, ginger root, and beets. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel these.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in
morning, guys. So right now it's about 10 a.m. Today's Wednesday, June 8th. It's 10:02. I'm heading to the nail salon. I've been meaning to go get my feet done for the longest, and it just never happens, just with everything. So I'm going today. They just opened up at 10 o'clock. I'm about 5 minutes from the nail salon, but before I go, I'm just gonna make me some coffee. I'm just gonna make me some iced coffee before I go. I have a lot to do today in terms of cleaning and just cleaning and organizing, so I'm trying to get an early start. I got some ice. This is the coffee that I'm using. It's just black coffee. It's just black coffee. I'm gonna put y'all right here. So you just gonna pour it up. I'm not gonna make a lot just because I don't feel like I need that much. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla sweetener to it, and then I'm gonna use some unsweetened milk. A cold brew with sweet cream foam for Sade. There, that work at Starbucks. I'm always ashy when I leave out, and the thing is, I be moisturizing my skin, and then by the time between getting dressed upstairs and everything, going downstairs, I wash my hands, and then as soon as water touches these hands, I get ashy again. So now I'm ashy. Y'all, I'm trying to up my 2022 summer playlist. Dancehall specifically. What is on your 2022 summer must-have playlist? Because, and not just dancehall. I kind of just want to do dancehall because I'm looking for a specific genre. But I don't know. I need some dancehall. I need to update my stuff. Like, I'll add stuff as I go along, but. And I need to learn the lyrics. The older I'm getting, the harder it is for me to learn lyrics to songs. And I don't like that. I used to know songs verbatim. Like every word, I got it. So I don't know what's going on. If it's old age. I mean, I'm not old, but the older I'm getting. Anyway, it's a short car ride, but everybody should, if you're on TikTok and you don't know this by now, I don't know what to tell you. Yo, I'm here. Well, I'm at the parking spot. My pedicure necessities are my phone, my AirPods, and my wallet. That's all I need. But I do bring my pocketbook because I don't want to like leave this anywhere. Yeah. And the massage chair in there. Oh, I'm about to get the massage. Oh, chill. Hey guys, so hopefully the air isn't too strong. Y'all can actually hear me. I told y'all that I got here at 10:17. Why is it 12:30? A whole 2 hours in the nail salon. Like I told you, like I have to be here at like 10:50 I mean, I have to be here at 9:50, 9:45 as soon as they open up to get through right away. But just to get my feet done. That's why I can't be doing all that stuff in one day. Hey y'all, what's up? I look a little crazy, and that's okay because I am home. And it is what it is. If this nightie look away, this is my house nightie. This is like literally my favorite nightie. Zoe had got me this nightie like years ago. And I still got it. It's on its last run, to be honest, but I still wear it. A couple days later, not much happened. My period came, TMI, but it came for the first time since I gave birth. It's not bad, to be honest. Cramps are a little, you know, but, and that's why I'm just here chilling. I have not been doing anything since yesterday. I've just been chilling in the house because I've, like, my back been hurting, my stomach's been hurting, but it goes in and out. Right now I'm fine. But anyway, I've been on the phone with American Airlines for, can y'all see that? Let me see. An hour and 45 minutes. Like, y'all know, y'all be fake busy. Y'all not that busy. I'm on the phone with them because I'm going to Jamaica. Like, it's no, like, I'm going to Jamaica. Y'all know this. Like, y'all should expect this. Cause who would I be if it's the whole summer and I don't go to Jamaica? Anyway, oh, and Kai's passport came today, y'all. He is so cute. He is so cute. We did that, period. But anyway, that's besides the point. So Sweet had already booked his ticket because he needed it for work to show that he's going down, blah 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 blah. But I didn't book mine, but I was like, oh, I'm just gonna book it on the same day. Chop. Going right now to book the ticket, it's like some crazy amount. So it's a cheaper flight on the same day, but earlier than Sweet's flight. So I'm like, so he checked at the airport to see if it would be cheaper. They told him he had to pay like $200 for the change. I was like, I'ma call them. So I'm on the phone. I've been on the phone with them. Hopefully I can switch it for no cost or a low cost, but it's just that I need to be able to travel with all three of us. It will be our first time traveling together and all that. I think it'll just be cute and nice, you know. Kai's first trip, his mama and his dad there, so that'd be cool. But if not, I don't know what we're gonna do, because I'm not buying the flight that he's on, because it's crazy. It's expensive. But yeah, so I'm still on the phone with them. Hopefully they answer soon. Right now I'm watching some YouTube, of course. I'm watching Anisha Adams.
Thank you for holding.
I'm pretty sure y'all know who Anisha is. Yeah.
Maybe taking on board the aircraft as long as
Bless me, baptize me, cocky. Me love the ride and not like Gilla. Bless me.
Good morning, guys. On that note, oh, summer camp started. I love seeing the kids at summer camp. Aww. I am heading to the gym. Today is Thursday, June 10th. Today's my sister's birthday. I don't know if y'all remember Camilla from the baby shower vlog. She lives in Canada. So yeah, today's her birthday. Happy birthday, Cal. It's 1:29, y'all, almost 1:30. I'm probably just gonna do 30 to 45 minutes in the gym, so that I can have time to go to the grocery store. Guys, before I go in the gym, I do want to say thank you to everybody who reached out to me offering to buy formula for Kai. Thank you so much. Like, I literally love y'all. Like, if I don't say that enough, I love y'all, and I feel like I don't say it enough, but I do love my DaeOnes so much, and I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Shout out to the people who've been rocking out with me from day one. For people who are new, everybody, thank you so much for just like supporting me and everything like that. Y'all really be showing out, because the amount of message that I got, people are showing me like, hey, this is the formula that you use, or hey, I saw this, and but thank you so much. I should have put in the last vlog that I did end up getting some, so I just want to say thank you so much for everybody who's offering. Right now we're good. I have one friend that's sending 2 more to me, so with that 2 I should be good for like a good little bit. Excuse me. So thank you so much again. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. But yeah, we're good right now. I'll let y'all know if something else goes sideways though. But yeah, so I just wanted to say that, because somebody just hit me up. Jodianne, big up yourself, just hit me up on Instagram saying that she saw that in her supermarket. So it just came to mind, like, let me come and say it on the vlog as well, so that, you know, people are aware. So hopefully I can put up this vlog soon, so y'all get this message. I got grit nut ice cream, like Jamaica grit nut. You know, some of that forget one. I told y'all I'm gonna make some fish. So of course I got some fish stuff. I got some pumpkin to put in there. I got everything else at home. I got me a grit nut, and I got one of these. I never actually tried this before in the can. I'm always skeptical, but I'm thirsty, and like, this is probably the healthiest thing in the fridge. I got some fish for $48.73. It was 5 pounds. $9 a pound. So guys, I am just leaving the Jamaican store. It wasn't packed in there, but I guess the guy had a lot of fish orders, because when you order fish, they scale it for you and clean it and all that. And I was in there for a minute, and I forgot my camera, so I ended up vlogging on my phone. But I got some fish, I got pumpkin, and I got some seasonings. And I think I showed y'all, I also got this that I told y'all I wanted to try it. I tried it. It's alright. It's not refreshing. I feel like when you drink jelly, or I guess this is coconut water, but isn't it that what they call coconut water? I don't know, but jelly is to me is supposed to be like refreshing. This wasn't giving me the refreshing vibe. Like, it's sweet, so I don't like it that much. So I'm gonna bring it home and give my mom. I'm pretty sure she'll like it. So yeah, I'm heading home right now. Well, no, I have to go stop by the other, it's not a Jamaican store, it's a meat shop, but you get like all the meats that you want, to buy chicken because mommy don't eat fish. So I'm gonna go pick up some chicken. But yeah, I'm heading home. I'm low-key tired. I low-key want to go in and take a nap, but I'm not, because I want to be productive today. Hi, Booba. Say hi. They said they want to see you more. Say hi. Jima get you a bath. And Jima get hairstyle. Jima get hairstyle. But you pull them out already? Who Farid? You get to daddy Farid? Them pull out. You pull out your hairstyle. Eh? In that sleep when I go me? You make you go me? Wow. You're not afraid of your hair? You have hiccup? You have hiccup? Too fast. Yes. Say hi. Say hi, everybody.
Hey, I get reading drink coffee back with him daddy make morning drink 2 ounces, 6 ounces.
I'm more vomit now, can't overeat.
And then the vomiting just vomit me, yeah.
Say hi. Say hi, DaeOnes. Yes. You want my camera? Take it easy. Go Farid. You could get for me, Farid. Eh? You're not talk, man. See you later. Tell him later. Hey, see later. See later.
When you have it up and when I'm not talking.
I'm the happiest man around. Somebody say, oh. Hey guys, good morning. I know y'all probably tired of seeing me in the car, but legit, if I'm not home, I'm in the car. I hardly go anywhere. But anyway, I think I might go somewhere today. Them boys going to a football match now. I wasn't gonna go at first, but I think I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to get Kai out the house. I'm gonna go to just like give y'all some different type of content. I just left the gym. I'm like drenching. I feel like the sweat falling on my body. I got an early start. Listen, I woke up early and I was supposed to go to the gym early, right? I woke up, my phone dead, my AirPods dead. I put my watch to charge last night, so the only thing that was not dead was my watch. So I had to wait for everything like charge up to a good amount, and my AirPod is not working. Like the left one, it keeps dying within like 30 minutes of my workout. So are you stupid? I hate when people, I hate when people, like the light is clear. Why did you not go through the light? So everything was dead this morning, so I didn't get to leave out on time. It's 9:42 right now, so it's still kind of earlier than what I'm used to going to the gym and stuff. But I woke up around 7, I think. Yeah, I woke up around 7. I woke up 5, but it was too early, so I went back to sleep till 7. My workout was a little bit rushed. Let me see. I did 44 minutes and 50 seconds, and I just ended it, so it's probably more like 40 minutes. But they're going to, I know they're going to their football, so I was like rushing to come back on time so that they can leave. Go, because the last time you let the light catch you, come on for your phone, man. I know them boy probably wondering where I am. I'm surprised they didn't call me yet, but I'm right down the street though. They wanted to leave at 9:45. It's 9:45 right now. Let me call Sweets and tell him to get Kai ready, because I'm gonna come. And I want to fly my drone, y'all. I bought a drone maybe, was it last year? Yeah, maybe it was last year sometime. Open last year. Or was it 2020? No, it was definitely last year sometime. Open at the year though. I've had it for a long time and I barely used it. I think the last time I flew my drone was in October of last year. I'm like, why did I spend all this money on my drone for me not to use it? And you know whose drone footage I love? Bacana. She is also a content creator. She lives in Jamaica. Her footage, I be messaging her like, girl, it's always the drone shots for me. Yes, I need to start flying my drone because I did not spend all that money for it to be collecting dust, you know, and to up my content and stuff. But say good morning. Gotta get on a year. Say good morning, everybody. See all of them there up front. Have winter not done with that out there. It hot. Guys, we reached. As soon as we got here, they started, so I couldn't, like, you know. But here's where we are. Che, say hi. Your binky fell, huh? Your binky fell.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chuck, look around.
Hey guys, so welcome to the last little portion of today's vlog. I'm at the gym right now. Today is June 13th. Yeah, today's Monday, June 13th. It is 10:45 a.m. I'm in the gym parking lot, but I was recording coming here about something that I'm still gonna talk about, but it was too long and drawn out, and it was like a whole 20 minutes. When I looked up, I was recording for 20 minutes. I said, oh, I'm not about to put up a 20-minute rant in a vlog. I'm gonna make it concise, and I'm not gonna put up a dedicated video. I'm not gonna give nobody this much fuel. Anyway, and excuse me drinking as I'm doing it. By the time I'm done, my pre-workout should be kicking in. Anyway, so y'all, woke up this morning. I'm feeding Kai, you know, nursing him, putting him back to sleep. Boom, I hear my phone vibrating, and that's unusual because 9 times out of 10, 9.99999%, my phone is on do not disturb. But anyway, it so happened to vibrate, and I picked it up, and I'm like, it's an Instagram notification. So I looked at it because, you know, when my face unlocked my phone, so as soon as I look at it, I can see the message. So I noticed it's a long message. I'm like, oh, what happened? So I clicked on it. It's this lady. Here's what she said. She said, I think not good morning, not good afternoon, nothing. At 9:29 a.m. This is what I got in my DM. I think it's so impolite following someone because you like their personality and their content. I know it is not written in the law that they got to replied. Okay, I'm reading verbatim. A matter of fact, I'm gonna screenshot it and put it on the screen. I'm gonna screenshot the message and put it on the screen, right? Basically, she's saying that she's been following me for 5 years, and I don't respond to her messages, and she is impolite, and she was just like, she know I just had that beautiful baby boy, but it's funny, like when people start begging for followers and get followers, they basically she's saying forget where I come from or whatever. So I responded to her and I was like, are you seriously messaging me this at I said, you're really messaging me this at 9:32 a.m.? She gonna say it's 2:34 in London or England or whatever. I don't care. So she said she's been following me for 5 years and she tried reaching out to me and nothing. Y'all, let me show y'all this. All right, I gotta scroll up. Okay, this is, I'm gonna go past her name. This is the first time she messaged me, was September 25th, 2018. And this was the message she sent me. And this was my response, okay? Now, she messaged me August 15th. What's up, darling? It's been a long time. And I didn't see the message because now it's the first time I'm opening it up, okay? So if you remember last year, that was my time when I was pregnant. I didn't know I was pregnant, but my body was making a baby, so I was going through all the motions and everything like that. So I told her she was selfish because you want a personal update. You want me to, what you want me to come and tell you? Something different than what's in my vlogs? Like, we're not on that type time for me to message you personally and tell you what's up. If you want to know what's up with BrightAsDae, I've posted a life update since then. I've been posting content since then. So if you really want to know what's up with BrightAsDae, go check out BrightAsDae's channel. Don't come on my Instagram at 9:32 a.m. like you lost your mind. I sit here and answer all of my DMs at one time. No, I don't. I'm only one person. And I get so many DMs. I try my best to respond. Even the other day, this is what I did. I went in my requested part on Instagram. Because, you know, if I don't follow you, that's where your messages go. To the request. The first time you message me. To the request part. And then, I have to go through it and answer. I made it a point of duty the other day to sit and go through that. Did I make it through everybody's? No. Especially since hers was in August. I'm not gonna make it all the way to August. So don't feel entitled that I'm obligated just because you hit the subscribe button. I'm obligated to you. Do I appreciate everybody who subscribed and watched me? Absolutely. This is not me coming on here trying to say, oh, y'all don't have to follow me. No, that's not that type of party. Anyway, guys, I still try to cut it down. It's still 9 minutes. If you didn't want to listen to the rant, my bad. But I had to get it out. Had to get it out. And it's so easy to click the unsubscription button and to click unfollow. Never feel obligated. And like I said, I don't want to come off unappreciative because I am. It means a lot. But don't lose your damn mind. Anyway, I'm gonna go work this steam off. And I will catch y'all in the next vlog because it's the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry that we're ending on that note. I'm having a good story for tell you now. So I'm going to add on that negativity. I'm not even sure if I will include it. If I do, because I'm doing it now in the moment, but when I'm editing, I'll probably be like, cha, whatever. Let me think if me have nothing positive to tell you now. So guys, I don't really have no good news, like anything didn't happen. I just want to say thank you for everybody. This is the good note that we're gonna end on. Thank you to everybody who support me, genuinely support me. Thank you for clicking the videos, liking, watching. I know y'all don't want to see no ear video, but know somebody don't want to see no ear video, and I know that. But you know, girls gotta get paid. We gotta do what we gotta do. It's business at the end of the day. But I appreciate everybody who still comment, who still like them. And I know y'all love the vlog, so thank you so much for watching, sharing. You know, I'm so excited. We're growing. Our little family is growing. I think we're at 16.6. We want to get to 20K. When are we gonna get to 20K? But I'm just enjoying every bit of the way with you guys. It's the best feeling ever when I can recognize a name that's been with me for years. You know what I'm saying? And they're still here. Like, that means so much. And so shout out to my oldie but goodie for my newbies. thank you for joining the Day One family. It's nothing but good vibes over here, so period. It's nothing but good vibes, and I genuinely do appreciate everybody who support me, click on my video. I think I was saying earlier sometime in this vlog that I don't say it as much, but just know, thank you. I appreciate y'all. I really, really do. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in next week's vlog.